Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a dark linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. This one does come with the multimedia package, which comes with navigation and voice command. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 44,795 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.